it's Tanya from Royal City Nursery, and today we are going to build a bee bath. Why do we need a bee bath, you ask? Well, it works for pollinators, it works for bees, it works for a whole bunch of little guys with little wings and little legs. So if we want to attract pollinators and bees to our yard, we want to make sure that they've got a habitat. So we need some evergreens and some grasses and even some trees to cut the wind. We want to make sure they've got a food source, so something like the coral bells or the asters and the beard tongue perennials. And then we need a water source. Water source is super easy. All we're going to do is take a glazed saucer, or you could use a bird bath at home. We're going to put in a few rocks. We've done some beach combing. I love these rocks. We're going to add those. And then I'm going to add some pebbles. So we want to get enough pebbles in there to cover the bottom. We're just going to smush them out and get them level. And then I'm going to add a little bit of water. And I just want enough water that it's actually filling to just underneath the top of the pebbles. I've washed the pebbles beforehand, so I shouldn't have a whole lot of dust. There we go. Now we can see a little bit of water coming in there. And there you have it. So we don't have a whole lot of depth in water, which is perfect. Again, we've got to remember, bees have got little itty bitty legs. So we want to make sure that there's somewhere flat for them to land, and then they can walk in and drink to their heart's content. So I hope that helps. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.